and the sun is rising this morning on this beautiful day. Breathing in the golden light. You can hear the sound of the waves. And breathing the golden light into every part of your mind and body. Imagine the beautiful golden light radiating and sparkling through every cell of your body. Breathe deeply. And feel that golden light expanding out all around you. And then becoming aware of the water energy and breathing in the essence of the water, clearing and cleansing. Moving through your mind, your body, your soul, your energy.